Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Romero. I'm going to tell you a nice story. Let's start. The characters are a tiger, bear, rabbit, and a storyteller. I will tell you a story of three friends. They were three friends sitting on a log in the forest talking about what their lives would be like if they were another animal. The tiger began. What would our life be like if it were a crocodile or if it were an orangutan? Where will we go if we could fly? Bear expressed. But Rabbit, angry, exclaimed, I am the best animal of all and I don't want to be anyone else. Tiger and bear looked at each other. Each wondered. To prove to be the best, the wish the tiger exclaimed. If I were the best, the tiger replied to himself, I am the best. If I run very fast, I win. If I roar very low, I scare everyone. If I get to a place, everyone flees. If the humans see me, they feel fear, he said to the rabbit and the bear. If I stand on two legs, I am taller. If there is an. The bear said, if I two legs, there is and taller. If there is an obstacle, I go through it. If they fight me, I always win. I am a rabbit. If I jump, I go further. If I hide, they don't find me. If the humans see me, they want to have me. Since they could decide, they asked Thames a question. Tiger, what would you do if you were a bear? If I were a bear, I would hunt fish in the river. If I were a rabbit, I would live in a burrow. What would life be like for a bear? If it were a tiger or a rabbit? If I was a tiger, I would run very fast through the jungle. If I was a rabbit, I would jump for fun. How would a rabbit feel if he were a tiger or a bear? If I were a tiger, I would walk in a herd. If I were a bear, I would hibernate in winter. They stared at each other until I spoke tiger. But if a tiger wasn't a tiger, it couldn't eat meat. It won't have the streaks that I like so much. If it were a rabbit, it won't be scary. If it were a bear, yes, don't be so fast. With a sigh, if it wasn't a bear, it couldn't eat fish, it couldn't eat honey, it wouldn't be alone. If it were a rabbit, it would be cute and it won't be fearsome. If it were a tiger, I would only eat meat. Rabbit asked through the same. If she wasn't a rabbit, she wouldn't jump free over the mountains. She won't eat carrots all day and she won't live life so happy either. At the end of the day, they felt good about being themselves. But if everything were a dream of three humans believing to be animals? The end. Bye bye.